Alright, so looking at how you calculate resistance in series. So this is a series circuit, and how you calculate resistance in parallel. So this is a parallel circuit. What I had done with both circuits is that I had made the resistors the same. So we have resistor 1 in the series equal 30 ohms, resistor 2 equals 60 ohms. So this is for the series. So in the parallel we had done the same. Resistor 1 equals 30 ohms, resistor 2 equals 60 ohms. So both resistors in series and parallel are the same resistors. So we're going to look at finding the total resistance in series, total resistance in parallel, since both resistors are the same for series and parallel. And then when we find the total, we compare them to see what value total resistance we get. Alright, so first we're going to find the total resistance in series. So the formula is RT is equal to R1 plus R2. So RT is what we're looking for, is equal to R1, this, plus R2, which is this. So we're going to put in the values. So R1 is 30 ohms, 30 ohms, plus R2, I should write R2 here, R2 is 60 ohms as we see on the diagram there. So R2, 60 ohms. So 30 plus 60 is equal to 90 ohms. So this is the total resistance of RT in series. So let us look at the total resistance for the parallel circuit with the same value resistors for R1 and R2. Now the formula to find resistance in parallel, so we have 1 over RT is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. So we're going to work it out as fractions. So where R1 is, we're going to put 30 ohms, and where R2 is, we're going to put 60 ohms. So continue with this, 1 over 30, which is R1, here it is, plus 1 over 60, which is R2, put where R2 is. Now we're going to find a number that 30 and 60 can go into without leaving a remainder, and we notice that 60 is that number. So we say 30 into 60 goes 2 times, plus 60 into 60 goes 1 time. Now the correct procedure, mathematical procedure, 30 into 60 goes 2 times. So you multiply 2 times 1 is equal to 2, and 60 into 60 goes 1 time. You multiply 1 by 1 is still equal to 1. So here we're going to put 3 over 60, because 2 plus 1 equals 3, and we carry across this number. Now 3 over 60, so we're going to write this here, 1 over RT is equal to 3 over 60. Now we need RT and not 1 over RT. So what we're going to do is to multiply 1 times 60, which is equal to 1 multiplied by 60 RT times 3. So we have equal RT times 3. Alright, so we have 1 times 60 is still equal to 60 equal RT multiplied by 3. We have 3 RT. Now here we divide here by 3 to cancel out the 3, and we do the same thing on the other side of the equal sign. Divide this by 3. So we say 3 cancel 3. So we have RT remaining. RT is equal to 60 divided by 3. So 60 divided by 3. And when you divide 3 into 60, it goes how many times? 3 goes 20 times. 326. Okay, so here we have 20 ohms, and RT is now equal to 20 ohms. So when you add 30 and 60 in parallel, the total resistance is equal to 20 ohms. So let us circle this a bit, and let us circle the one for the series. So here we have 90 ohms. When you add the same value resistance in series, you get 90 ohms. However, when you add resistance in parallel, same values, you get a different value as the total resistance. We get 20 ohms. Okay, so hopefully this can assist you in finding both total resistance in series and total resistance in parallel, so that you can work out your electrical resistance if you receive these type of questions to answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Have yourself a nice time.